Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bexley Tax portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Google Chrome, then search Bexley Tax login. Then go to sign in or go to revenuesbenefits.bexley.gov.uk. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. If you have forgot your username, you can get help by clicking Forgot Username. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password. Once you have entered your login credentials, press Sign In to access Bexley Tax portal. And if you are new to Bexley, you can register your new account by clicking Register. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.